Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you classify and modify your folder. So by Microsoft, when you got the folder here, this is the folder. For example, downloads is modified like last month by date or earlier, and then by date again. So what you need to do to be alphabetical in alphabetical order. You just right click here, right click on the folder, and then click on group by, and then click on name, by name, if you can, by type, by size, or ascending, descending, or more, but I prefer to be in alphabetical order, so click on by name, and then it will be in alphabetical order, C, A, and then B, C. This is how to modify and classify your folders in your laptop, desktop. Thanks for watching. Bye.